Oh, I forgot to do an intro, so this is my intro. Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how I made this look, this eye look, and how I do my base makeup. My camera cut out the foundation, so it'll start with my foundation and concealer and powder already on, so you can see the bronzer and highlight and blush and all that good stuff. But yeah, so it'll be this makeup look, so stay tuned. If you want to keep watching, I got some quality photos at the end of this too.
Hello, and welcome to VoiceOver Annika. So we're gonna get started, and I used some Benefit bronzer to bronze my face. I did all the basic parts that you need to do for this, obviously. For bronzer, I just did like the basic stuff, just to make sure my face didn't look so pale, because it is pretty pale most of the time that I do this stuff. And then I went in with some blush and just did near my eyes. I didn't do I do it really high up and like near the temple, because that's how I like doing my blush, and I also did my nose. For highlight, I did my nose, and I did my cupid's bow, my chin, and my cheeks. I used a small brush for this because I'm able to get more highlight out of it if I use a smaller brush. Now onto the eyes. I primed. You can prime with anything. I just primed with some nice white NYX primer because it was the easiest thing to do at the time, and it's also to get colors to pop, because normally when I do this makeup I do colors more than just like neutral shades, because it's for cosplay. And then I take my Jeffree Star Alien palette, and most of this, pretty much all of the eyeshadows I used are in this palette. You can do other colors as well. So I took the gold color, which I believe is UFO, and I put that on my eyelid, such like this. I like to put the shimmery shade on the eyelid first, and then I will go in with a darker shade, such as the purple in this palette. And I took that with a kind of dense brush in the crease, and just the corner in the crease, up halfway. And then I also do a little bit under the eye as well with this color. They don't even have to be the same color, so much like that. And then I take a fluffy brush and I blend it, and then I'll take some of the product, as you can see here, and I also put it on my eye as well to kind of blend it out and make it look seamless. But this also gets rid of how vibrant the eyeshadow is, like the base color I put on. So what I do after that is I would put more on, and I'd also darken the crease up, because that's always like an essential thing for me, is to darken up the crease. So yeah, and then after that the gold will also have faded, so I'll put more gold on my eyelid to help like make it brighter, because I like having a bright eye, because I usually wear glasses and so you can't really see most of my eye makeup, so I try to make it very bright. And then I took this neutral brown to kind of blend the gold and the purple together. So I put that right in the transition area to kind of blend it out some more. And I put it over the purple to kind of blend out the purple a bit as well. And then I added more gold. And then I took the lightest shade in the palette to put in my corners, the corner of my eye, to brighten up my eyes even more, because I like that look. I took some eyeliner to align my eyes. I'm not very good at it. You can tell my eyeliner is a little wonky. I just need to get better at it. So yeah, that's pretty standard. I don't do wings because I cannot do them to save my life, so I just don't do them because I don't want to risk screwing anything up. So I just kind of end it right where my eye is, and then I'll take a pencil. I'll take a black pencil and I'll just put that down on my lower lash just a little bit to kind of end off the black. And that'll make room for the white eyeliner that you see here. I put that right on the waterline because it opens up your eyes and it makes your eyes bigger. And I like the big-eyed look with this. And I didn't put the black eyeliner on the waterline because I can put the white eyeliner all the way up there so they meet together. And then I will put mascara on, and I don't wear fake lashes most of the time. I do own some fake lashes, I just don't wear them as often as I would like, because I'm not that good at putting them on, or they're just uncomfortable for me. I need to get better at this, so... Yep. I also put a little bit down on my lower lash line, just where the black eyeliner is. I don't really put it where the white is, because that kind of ruins the effect I'm going for. And then I went into my eyebrows. My eyebrows are pretty standard. I don't have any, like, eyebrow products, except for my eyebrow gel, which is clear. So I just do the eyeshadow and the eyebrow, and eyeshadow, and then the gel. As you can see here, it's pretty standard eyebrow procedure. My eyebrows don't look great. I need to figure out what I gotta do with them. They're not the best eyebrows, but I like my eyebrows. They're nice and bushy, which is what I like. I also take a pretty light brown for this most of the time, because I normally wear a blonde wig, because I usually cosplay as Taco with this makeup look, but I just did my normal eyebrows. I should have done them darker, because my hair is darker than normal. Yeah, and the eyebrow gel I'm using here is the NYX eyebrow gel. I have a lot of drugstore makeup, and I have a lot of high-end makeup. So there you have it. There's the final look. I'll insert pictures here for you guys. They'll kind of be just around. And I'm gonna bring it back to normal me to finish up this video. Enjoy!
Hello everybody. I have a ring light now, so I can do makeup videos like this one. I don't wear makeup a lot, but I decided to do this one because my Instagram people decided they wanted to see this look. It's pretty much my generic makeup look, but I decided to do it because I was like, whatever. This is for most of my cosplays. This is basically my Taco look other than the lip, which I can do right now actually. Let me do that. Also, I sound sick right now. That's because my allergies have got the better of me and I feel like crap. So, yeah. So basically what I do for the lip is I take this Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip velour thing, and I basically just put it on my top lip. Like so. I got this look from somebody on Instagram. Their name is Science of Cosplay. They do this with their Taco look as well, so that's why I decided to do that. I'll put their link down in the description if you guys want to check them out. They're pretty neat. I like them a lot. I met them at Katsucon. They're cool. But yeah, so here's it. The lips, you can do whatever you want for those. I mean, you don't have to do this. You can do any lipstick with them. If I were to wear this outside, like, and not for videos and stuff, I would do just a normal lip, probably a nude, because the makeup is gold and purple and it's pretty intense. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. I try to do videos once a week. Last week didn't work out so well because I was at OkashiCon. I'm going to be out of town next week. I'm going to be in Florida. I'll try and do some vlogs of that, I guess, because I am bringing my McCree outfit, so we might do some fun McCree stuff for that. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all later.